What's up, everybody? Back here with another reset. Today we have a Maxwest Nitro A65. Sorry about that. Think what the model was for a second. So if you have a pattern or a pin on the phone and you don't remember what it is and you want to get back into the phone, you'll have to do a hard reset. It will delete everything on the phone, so if you have anything important, just let you guys know that it is going to go away. So be mindful when you're doing this. So the first thing you have to do is turn off the phone. You have your volume buttons right there, and then your power button right there. So let's just hit the power button, hold it, and we'll turn it off. And then once the phone is off, what we're going to be doing is we'll be holding volume down and power at the same time. So the phone's off. Oops, sorry. Let me try to do this so you guys can see it better. So I'm going to be holding volume down and the power button at the same time. Usually once the phone vibrates, you can let go of power, but just keep holding the volume down. Or when the light bulb comes up. So keep holding volume down. It gets into this screen, which is your bootloader screen. The next thing you have to do is you got basically tap volume up and power button at the same time. I usually hit the power button first, then tap volume up, and then it brings up the reset menu, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Your power button is going to be your enter button, and then the volume keys help you navigate. Then scroll down to factory data reset again, hit enter, and now it's deleting. Once it's done, you just hit reboot system now and hit enter. And that's it. That's all it is. As usual, if you found this helpful, or you want to see some other resets, some stuff you're having trouble with, just let me know. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe, whatever you got to do. Appreciate it. Thanks.